Okay, when you come out to the pad, take it down, there will be alligator clips. There'll probably be yellow shooter's wire left over from the last person. Take that off, put it in the bucket, remove the clips, and then start at the other end, disconnect it from the controller, and wrap it around like this. You will get dirty. When you get near the end, wrap it around a bunch of times, and then take one of the alligator clips, at least one of them, took it there, that keeps it from coming apart, and put it in the box with the launch trailer. Next, bring this up all the way, loosen up the eye bolts, and pull it off. Stick it in the pile for the grunts to take back to the trailer. Pull this eye bolt off. Be careful not to lose parts.
This eye bolt tends to turn, so you kind of have to hold the eye bolt while you turn the wing nut.
Well, it should be connected inside. And if we're smart, we'll spray some WD-40 on it. One side or another. Blast shield goes off, goes in the pile where there'll be 7 more of them to take back to the trailer.
Can I get in on that? I'm a little scared of AP. I've been contemplating getting into that realm.
Okay, the other thing to do is to put the clip back on so that this doesn't fall off and disappear into the dirt. Put it together, watch your fingers, don't get them caught in there. And back to the trailer.